So one thing to note is that we've enabled this block on every page. So even on pages where we don't want to display it and where ultimately nothing will display because there's no related product to the current content page, it's still going to go through the process of trying to create the block, which will add some overhead to the processing time for rendering our page. So we want to make sure that this displays only in particular situations. So what we're going to do is click the cogwheel in the upper right-hand corner of the block and click Configure Block. And you see how we can restrict visibility on a couple different criteria. In this case, what we want to do is restrict on content type. So I'm going to click Content Type and then click Review. I'm also going to scroll up here to the block title, and we're going to override the title by entering in None inside of these arrow brackets. And I'll scroll down and click Save Block. All right, so now we have our block still displaying on the review page, the title is gone, and everything looks good.